Hey everyone, it's Brianne. I am recording a follow-up video discussion with Nathan from Divinations today, and the goal is to dive deeper into a few topics. First thing, we're going to talk about the end of the friends and family round, so how founders are using early allocations in the very early pre-seed, seed stage friends and family round to actually drive strategic alignment with the right sector-aligned CEOs, with any sort of companies that have technical dependencies, such as partner integrations, or you'll need some strategic alignment later on. Second thing is how to actually construct the cap table in a way where you get the most out of expert operators. So the vision is, can you actually put one key point person on each function of the business, whether that's product, go-to-market, sales, technical recruiting. Founders are getting pretty creative with who they are giving 25, 50, up to 100K allocations to. And the idea is, can you actually build momentum in a way where there's a high value per dollar invested, where each individual that invests in your company very early on is tasked with a very specific statement of work or a very specific goal between, especially seed to Series A, where essentially you'll get access to their network, you'll get access to a very specific area to which you need support. And then long-term, as you start to scale, this person can use their operator network to both source, close, and onboard someone that you'll hire full-time to own this function that they've been really focused on. The third thing is really thinking through deep competitive advantages and how some of the best angel rounds that I've seen recently have had a very strategic focus around which angels are investing, which serve as both a strong signal to follow-on investors, but more importantly, it's a signal to the market that if you have strategic alignment with the specific CEO, or if you do have a very thoughtful way to which you're structuring the cap table, you can actually build a very defensible business, and one in which it would be very hard for someone to fast follow with the same level of gravitas and social credibility coming from some of those CEOs and individuals that you raise money from very early on. So I'm excited to dig in a little bit more into both portfolio construction if you're an angel, angel round construction if you're an early stage founder. And then thirdly, we are going to have an AMA. So if you have any follow-up questions, I will share the link to my Substack. We'll be taking questions throughout the week. So feel free to message me with anything that comes up. So thanks again, and have a great Sunday.